The University of Iowa men's basketball team finished their season with an 87-68 loss to the Gonzaga Bulldogs in the round of 32 in the NCAA men's basketball tournament this season. The Hawkeyes picked up their first tournament win in over a decade against Dayton in the round of 64. Sophomore guard Peter Jok showed great strides toward the end of the season, scoring 12 points in the win versus Dayton. Jok, from West Des Moines, Iowa, is heading into his junior season next year and is looking to make great improvements in the offseason.
I got my whole game pretty much. I just got to tighten everything up, my whole game up. And as defense-wise, I made a big stride from last year to this year. So, I still got to work on that too. But mostly, I'm mostly focusing this summer is just ball handling. So I feel like if I can get my ball handling right, then I can go to the next level. So.
Iowa student manager Pat O'Connor is a former roommate of Jok's and is constantly helping out with the Hawkeyes at the practice facility.
I think what Pete is going to do and what I can help him do is just I'll be in here rebounding for him, because I think the only thing that he really needs to work on is just to get his shot to the place where he will never miss and go have those games where he'll go 5 for 8 from 3 or just go off like he showed a little bit this season.
Jok says he plans to live in Iowa City this summer so he can work on his game and encourage his teammates to head to the facility so they can work on their games as well.
This summer I'm going to be working with the coaches. I'm staying here all summer to work out, and I have this one of my friends named Chauncey. He's a really good trader. He's a point guard, so he's been training a lot of point guards. So I hit him up, and he said he's going to come here and work out with me all summer. So I think just working my ball lane every day, I think that will help a lot too. So.